Namamkela eka 48 hours nongonoko lomu tisela ka ta mintirho kusuhi na n'wina. Rhandza ku teka nkarhi lowu khensa hinkwenu mi hi tsalelaka no vula leswaku mi nga heli mbilu swivutiso swa n'wina swi ta hlamuriwa. Eka nongonoko wa siku ra namuntlha hi ta eka n'wina hi ri eKwaZulu-Natal eThekwini ni vula yona Durban. Xivangelo xa riendzo ra hina i ku va hi mi tisela ntirho lowu nga ta tsakeriwa hi n'wina hinkwenu mi rhandzaka mintirho ya mavoko kambe ntirho wa namuntlha wu na mbuyelo swinene. Ntirho lowu ni vulavulaka hi wona wa landzela.
Today's artisan skill is part of just about everything you see and touch every day. It also forms part of making airplanes, ships, and all kinds of manufactured products, from lawn mowers to earth-moving equipment. On today's show, we look at welding, and the career of the day is that of a ship welder.
N'wina hinkwenu a mi hleketa ku ntirho wa ku yisela tinsimbi wu fambisana na mafasitere na tigate. Ni tshemba leswaku mi pfuleke matihlo. A hi tsoleni ku vadyondzi van'wana va tiva ku fika kwini ntirho lowu.
Shana hi ku tiva ka wena ti-ship welders ti tirha yini?
I don't have any idea of a ship welder.
Well, I would take the word welding. I guess that's when you put two pieces of metal together. So I believe that's when you build ships using metal.
It's a person who works to weld dikepe or lukisa dikepe if disinehile.
Ntirho lowu nga fanela munhu un'wana na un'wana.
Ukwazi uku-associate nabantu.
Being a ship welder, I think it's the passion, because not everyone would want to be there.
You have to love or know how to use your hands.
I have lovely mali. Ubona nga kuba hola mali yonyawula.
An estimated price of 10.
Between 10 to 20,000 rands.
Yo, I think per job it would have to be 10,000 and above.
Sure, I think very, very, very less. Maybe approximately 20,000 to 30,000 there.
Tidyondzo exikolweni hi ti leti nga ku pfunaka ku va u nghena eka ntirho lowu?
I think sciences, because I think it's engineering related.
The most important is physics and maths.
Loko se u lava ku dyondzela ntirho lowu u nga dyondzela kwihi?
A university, I think.
I took varsity institution like UJ and VET.
At FAT colleges and technicons.
Ku thoriwa kona u nga thoriwa kwihi?
I all around the world, like in the communities and speaking to people.
At a harbor, maybe they go the Cape.
Mostly in factories where they manufacture ships.
Wena u nga swi tsakela ku va a ship welder?
Honestly, no, because I've never heard of it before, but I think I have an idea of it, but I don't think I'd love to be one.
I'm a ship welder because I think it's a great job, and then you find opportunity to get used to people and to know how to communicate with people.
I don't like working with my hands, so I believe when you're a ship welder, you pick up things and no. So I wouldn't like to be a ship welder.
I wouldn't have to be a ship welder because I don't think I'm good at using my hands.
Swa tsakisa ku twa ku vadyondzi van'wanyana va tinyika nkarhi ku lavisisa hi mintirho leyo hambanahambana. Wena u nga riki na vutivi hi ntirho wa siku ra namuntlha, career board ya landzela.
Ship welders ensure that ships are waterproof. They apply filters, sealants, and fiberglass, and when the construction work is complete, all parts are varnished or painted. They also repair and replace worn-out parts. Ship welding is a lucrative and an exciting profession. A national senior certificate with good grades in mathematics and physical sciences will up your chances of admission at an institution of your choice. To make it in this field, you must have neat, orderly work habits, work with great precision, take pride in good craftsmanship, be able to visualize three-dimensionally, and be able to read plans, specifications, and calculate material, tool, and process requirements. Graduates can secure successful welding careers with the following employers: the South African Navy, private shipbuilding firms. And with enough experience and capital, you can start your own shipbuilding business.
Vadyondzi va siku ra namuntlha i va le xikolweni xa le henhla xa Sithengile eClaremont. Ku twa ku hikwalaho ka yini va lava ku ta tirha ntirho lowu, ngenani na mina.
Hi.
Jenny.
Sapila.
Khona. Futhi dawe sindivakashele, how do you feel?
Sifila sijabulile because sokwazi ukutshengisa abantu ama careers nabo mhlawumbe ababengacabanganga ukuthi bangawachoose.
Okay, all right. Asizoyena no Monday.
Mina ngizizwa ngijabulile ngoba lo mkhakha usizothola ukuthi waziswe la ngaphandle emhlabeni wonke jikelele ngoba kubonakala ngathi umkhakha abantu abaningi abangafuni ukuzibandakanya nawo kanti futhi ave umkhakha o right uma uthatha ukubheka.
Okay, you guys are spending 48 hours, that's 2 days with a ship welder.
Wow.
Okay, I'm not gonna waste time. Nama t-shirts for Nina. I'm gonna give you t-shirts. Ngicela niyowagqoka and meet me at the combi. Angithi nibonile la combi khona?
Yes.
All right.
Nkarhi wa ku va ya mavhengeleni loko hi vuya vadyondzi va hina va ta hlangana na mento ya siku u nga suki kwalaho. Se hi fikile laha vadyondzi va hina va nga ta hlangana na mento ya siku a hi voneni ku ri swi famba njhani.
My name is Ravi Modley. I work at South African Shipyards. I'm a qualified welder. At South African Shipyards, we do mostly new builds like tugboats and partially ship repair. Today, I will be joined by Intabaling and Nomande, who will be job shadowing with me into ship welding. Hi, welcome to Southern African Shipyards.
Thank you.
So today we're going to learn about ship welding. Can you tell me why you're so interested in doing ship welding?
I'm interested in doing ship welding because it is a career less ordinary. Most of people don't compromise themselves with it, so I really think that I have the personalities to join this industry and I'm very much interested in it.
Okay.
Well, I'm also interested in ship welding, but also I think it needs dedication and hard working, so I'm a person for that.
Okay, in ship welding, you'll be carrying a lot of stuff. It'll be a lot of hard work, but I'm sure in time, you'll get used to it.
Yini ekwenze ukuthi ukhethe ukungena kulo mkhakha we ship welding?
Well, as a little boy, as I watched the ships into the ocean, it has been my passion to be involved in the shipping industry. As time went, I began to like welding, and it has been my passion to become a ship welder.
Ngingafundela kuphi mawukuthi ngifuna ukwenza ship welding?
Well, to study to become a ship welder, firstly you will have to go to the tech and do your N courses. Well, in order to do your trade test, you need your N1 and N2. And thereafter you will qualify into doing a trade test and becoming an apprentice. And from there you can continue furthering yourself as a welder.
When becoming a ship welder, is it necessary to know how to draw?
As a ship welder, when you go to tech, one of the courses that you do is drawing. So it is necessary for you to do drawing, because when you get work packs, on the work packs you'll have drawings which you will have to explain to your fellow workers. So each symbol is a drawing itself. So we got to understand the drawings.
Okay. Akhona yini amathuba omsebenzi ku ship welding la eMzansi?
Yeah, there is a lot of job opportunities for a ship welder. You look at artisans, the old ones are now retiring. So there is a need for youngsters to come and take over.
Sis zwile ngalo mkhakha bese kuthiwa ngiyangena kuwe imina ongaba uqala wesifazane kona.
No, you wouldn't be the first one. There have been many other lady welders. There's been a lot of ship welders that have been trained under me, and today they have qualified as ship welders and working elsewhere.
Yini ubuhle bokuba ship welder?
Well, as a ship welder, it's very interesting because you do various types of welding. You're not just constantly doing one welding, you venture into other welding also. So that's what makes it interesting.
Kunjani ukuhlukana kwama-ship welders?
We do have different types of ship welders. We have plate welders, we have pipe welders, and then we have welders that do X-ray welding. That welding without any defects at all. Where they come and X-ray the welding or do a UT in order to make sure that the welding is 100%.
Ship welding, when ship welding oyenzayo and indaba uyithanda.
Okay, my favorite welding is called TIG welding. That is mostly done on pipes. Well, it's a bit of an intricate type of welding. Not everyone can do it, but in time, when you do get used to it, you enjoy it.
Workshop
Now, I think we had enough for today. I think we need to pack it up. We are also tired. We should continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Siku ra vumbirhi se ri fikile. Vadyondzi va hina va ya mahlweni va dyondza hi ntirho wa siku. A hi voneni ku ri swi famba njhani.
Hi girls.
Hi.
Are you all excited in being at South African shipyards on the second day?
Yeah, we're really excited.
Are you all ready to get your hands dirty today?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, let's go to our workplace and I am going to demonstrate to you all some of the different types of welding. Okay? Okay, ladies, these are the basic tools that we use for welding. And this here is the wire brush. If you want to have a look at it. Okay, and this is called a chipping hammer. Okay, and this here is a grinder. Okay, these are the workpiece that I've already prepared for you, and these are the electrodes that we are going to use, right, in order to do our welding. Okay, this is a welding machine that we are going to use. The first process that we are going to do is called the TIG process, right? The tungsten inert gas process. It consists of gas, electrode, and your plate that we are going to weld. All right, I'm going to switch on this machine for you. This is where I control the current. As I turn, the current will go higher. Okay. And if I drop down, the current will go lower. Okay. That's right, it's going to assist me in doing my welding. Safety is one of the most important things in this industry. What we are going to do, I'm going to show you all this helmet first. All right, the helmet consists of a dark glass. When we do our welding, we ensure that this glass is all the time down, right? Because it protects your eyes. You can have your helmet here. These gloves here, you'll just put it on. As soon as I say I'm going to start, you're dropping down your helmets, right? Your glasses. Okay. And I'm just going to demonstrate to you a small piece of how this welding is done. All right, are you ready?
Yes, let's get started.
Glasses down.
Okay. Wow. As soon as you finish, it dries off.
Yes. As you weld, this controls your melting of the metal, your tungsten. And as I lower the current, the melting process slows down and it stops. Okay. In this process, when you're welding, this is a tungsten electrode. This electrode doesn't burn. It only directs your current to wherever you want to melt. All right, this wire here is a wire where you feed into your weld and it causes the welding. Do you want to try a small piece of welding and see how it is done?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you just hold that thing there. I'm going to tell you when it's ready. And so slowly, what you do is bring your thing. I'm going to bring it down for you.
Okay.
And I will help you, right? So we're going to turn. And slowly. move your wire out. And we're closing it.
Wow.
All right,
Well
that's your first weld. And how was that first experience?
It felt like I was in a different world.
Oh, that's
All I could see was just a green color.
green color, just a
Yes.
bright light. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to have a go with it?
My turn.
Okay, let's bring it down.
I cannot see my wire.
And we're gonna start.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, we're gonna switch him off now.
Okay.
How was that?
Okay, that was amazing. And hot. Yini mehluko phakathi kwe-ship welding nalama welding yenziwa ngaphandle, gate welding, nalayo yenza ama-plate, ama-metal plates.
Okay, basically the welding is more or less the same.
Okay.
What's the difference is the thickness of your material. As you can see here, we're using thick plates.
Yeah.
Okay, so the thicker plates that we use, we need to increase our current. So we're using thinner plates, we decrease our current.
Kwenzakalani uma ukuthi currently iphezulu wenza ngama-thin plates amancane?
Okay, on a thin plate, if you increase your current, what's going to happen there, you're going to blow holes through. Because your melting process is going to be quicker. So you won't be able to control your current.
Okay.
What I'm going to do now is show you how the stick welding is done, right?
Okay.
Now before we do the stick welding, I'm going to have to change the settings on the machine.
Why do we have to change it?
Okay, with this previous welding, the TIG welding, we had to use the gas.
Okay.
And the settings on the machine is we're welding on a negative DC current, right? And on a stick, we're welding on a positive current. So what I'm going to do is just change the setting and we'll do some of the stick welding in order to do the different types of welding.
But this one stands for...
Well, this is a different polarity. That's where we do aluminium welding. It's called alternating current. Okay, then we have the negative current and the positive current. With the stick welding process, this is a simple welding.
Okay.
I'm going to bring your helmets down so I can demonstrate.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
Okay, now this is where we use the chipping hammer. You can see the coating of flux on top of your weld.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is chip it away. So we're going to have your helmets down and you're going to watch your clear glass so you don't get flux going into your eyes.
Okay.
Alright?
Wow.
Okay. So once the flux is away, that's your welding.
This one is much more simple.
Much more simple.
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you all to the other section where we'll do some flux core welding. Okay. Okay, this is called the flux core arc welding.
Okay.
In this machine, it's also, we use gas, and this is a flux core gun where your wire comes out through. This is called a trigger. As soon as you press the trigger, the wire comes.
Like a gun.
Like a gun. All right. So we're gonna go first.
I do.
Okay.
So
I will just hold your hands. You press when you're ready. Press the trigger. Come in. You're pressing the trigger.
okay, can I first place this?
Okay. Press the trigger.
Okay.
Press it. Slowly. Okay. Release the trigger.
Wow.
And that was simple, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very simple.
Good. Helmet down.
Can I flex?
Open your clear.
Okay. There you go.
That looks simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
As soon as you're ready to press the trigger, your glasses, helmet down, press the trigger, slowly, release the trigger, perfect.
I did a very good job.
Very good. Now if you knock off the flux, you'll see your real welding.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Very beautiful.
Njengoba sesenzile-ke lana cobuza ungasithatha sise la sokwenza khona emkhumbini welding yamabele.
What we're going to do now, I'm just going to take you to the ship and show you the welding that I have done on this ship.
Okay.
All right, let us go. This has been the end of our second day. I hope you had an enjoyable experience with me at Southern African Shipyards.
Yes, we did.
Hope to see you all someday soon, maybe working with me, or maybe you all having your own business where I can come and visit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with us. Okay.
Hi.
Ninjan.
Sophie.
Namkhona. Turning to Linge, how was the experience? Did they give you anything Jena ukuthi niyenze?
Yeah, we sihambile saya workshop sayawenza i-TIG welding, we tugboat ekade i-repair actually. Sase sabona ukuthi nakwi-welding khona ama-patterns wakhona, there is i-horizontal, i-vertical, nje kodwa yona-ke ibi-repair benga-weld.
Sisi?
Mina, kwi-workshop, I really loved the flags. It was like very sinking corner in the industry since we went corner, and it was so marvelous.
All right, I can tell with you guys, you really want to do this.
Yeah.
Okay. Muthaleri, shana wena ungasitsakela kuba na hina la ka 48 hours. Loko swi ri tano, hi tsaleli eka 48hours@savc.co.za. Kumbe Facebook page ya hina ku nga SAVC 48 hours. Hi nga se famba, a hi twaneni ku n'wamabindzu u hi dyondzisa yini.
Hi, my name is Len Govender. I'm the owner of LM Welding Services, the welding specialist. My field of work is ship repairs, boat propellers. We do servicing in the sugar industry, the paper industry, the automotive industry. I decided to start my own company 8 years ago because I had a drive to be my own boss and provide employment for people. What I like about being my own boss, I've got control over my finances, my workshop, my employees. I've got to go and try and find employment in a sense of getting income every single day. That's enjoyable, you know, so you're going to see you're meeting different people every day. So I get a lot of satisfaction out of that. Welding, there's a challenge every day. You know, we're on the ships or we're on a sugar mill or on a small boat. So every day there's a different challenge. So we enjoy that. So we're not doing the same thing every single day. One of the main challenges was finances. You need to have a running capital to run your business. Also, you need to give a good quality of service so the customers come back to you. At the moment, my main challenges now is space. We need a bigger shop. So my next thing to do now is to try and get a bigger shop, get more employees so we can deliver the service to the customers at the moment. My main clients are mainly automotive, the shipbuilding as well, also sugar mills, the refineries. We do a bit of work for them. My main source of work that comes in now is word of mouth. If you give good quality, you get it comes back to you. The advice I'd like to give aspiring entrepreneurs is be strong-willed, work hard, give good quality. The honest days of work always pays out.
Muhlaleri, shana loko vanhu van'wana va swi kota ku humelerisa milorho ya vona, wena u nga tsandziwa yini? Vumundzuku bya wena byi le mavokweni ya wena. Hi marito yalawo ni ri a hi hlanganeni nakambe vhiki leri taka kona kwala ka SABC 2. Ku huma ka mina Tintsolo na vatirhikuloni, va na vhiki lerinene.